Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into HeinOnline, access legal history databases step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for HeinOnline. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. Once the home page loads, look for the Login button, typically located at the top right corner. Click on the Login button. You will be directed to the login page. If you have access through your institution, select the appropriate option, usually labeled Institutional Login. Next, find your institution from the provided list. Once you locate your institution, click on its name. You may be redirected to your institution's login page. Enter your institutional credentials, such as your username and password. After entering your information, click on the Login or Submit button. If your credentials are valid, you will be granted access to HeinOnline. Now, explore the available databases on legal history. If you don't have institutional access, you can select the individual login option if available. Enter your individual username and password if prompted. Click Login to access your personal account. Once logged in, you can browse the various collections and databases. Utilize the search bar to find specific legal documents or historical data. Take advantage of the advanced search options for more refined results. Make sure to log out once you are finished using HeinOnline to protect your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.